Hey guys, it's Katie from Creative by Katie. Thanks for joining me today. I am finally getting to share with you guys some of the projects and things that I picked up at Pinners Conference. I will put a link in the bottom of this video to that video, to the Pinners recap video, where I promised you guys that I was gonna go ahead and do some of those projects that I picked up, and I'm finally getting around to it. With the holiday and everything else, I just didn't have time to get everything finished up. And so today I'm doing that for you so I can share it with you guys. And then the rest of the week, Wednesday and Friday, I'm also gonna have another video for you guys showing you the other two major projects that I picked up at Pinners Conference. So today we are doing the flower crown. This was a class at Pinners Conference. The booth, the person who did it was Lula the baker, and I will link to her site down below. Now, if you want to do this and you want to learn about it, she has it. It's part of a book, and I think you have to pay for it. So, you know, you could probably get these supplies on your own, and I guess that's why I wanted to share it with you guys, because I thought it was really cute and I thought it was super fun. I'm really grateful that she had the kit there for me to purchase, but you definitely could find these supplies in your local craft store and do this on your own. So I wanted to just give you guys a little sneak peek of what my floral crown ended up looking like. I love it. It's so cute. Now, yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna wear it around a lot. I don't know, but it's super cute. And so I wanted to just share it with you guys. This was one of the projects that I picked up. So let's head over to the craft table and I'll show you how I made this. And I hope that you guys enjoy it. And I will see you again in a couple of days for another project. Okay, let's dive into what was in the kit. So here is our fiber wrapped floral wire. Okay, we're gonna use that. And we've got a good selection of flowers and greenery. So that'll be fun when that time comes. And then I love that this came with wire cutters, so I can give Greg back his wire cutters that belong in the garage. And these can be mine if I can get them out of the bag. There we go. So those are some really good wire cutters, so that's awesome. And then the floral tape, which I don't have any of this, and I'm kind of glad that now I do. So, okay. So step one is to bend our wire in a circle that is large enough to fit around your head. Okay, so I kind of feel like I have a big head. So really, I kind of feel like that is pretty good. That's a good shape, and I can kind of still adjust it. So I'm going to, now they said to just like leave 2 inches overlapping. I think that's pretty close. I don't really see any point in taking that off of there, but I'm just going to wrap this with now I've got that done. I'm going to trim all of these flowers so they are about 3 inches long. Okay, so I got the flowers trimmed down and then all the greenery trimmed down. And so I'm just gonna kind of lay things, like some of these bigger ones around here. So like obviously I want this to be kind of the front, and I'm just gonna kind of lay some of the bigger ones around. I don't really know if I want that to be super bold. Maybe have a little bit. And then I can kind of go in and fill in with the green stuff. I'm pretty much done with how I want it to be.